Went from this to this. All right, guys, so after owning the pool for about 4 years, you see this is starting to corrode, not corrode, I don't know, just kind of fade, and you know, things are starting to deteriorate over here. So there's a hack that I saw online that they did it with. It looks pretty good. I did it to that one end already over there, but I think I had it painted too much. So I kind of used the tape and to just you know, surround where I want it to get painted only. So I put some painting tape on it. So I'm just gonna pretty much cover this top portion of it. All right, because otherwise if you paint the whole thing, it's not gonna look great. I already made a mistake over there. Whatever, right? So I'm gonna paint right here, and what they use, let me give you guys a closer look over there. It's this Flex Seal liquid rubber. All right, this is in a gray color. Hopefully when it dries, so you see the shine right there, looks really good. Number one, another thing too is I use a brush that wasn't great quality, so make sure you get a good quality brush. And then you see how it's not even over here, that's why I'm taping it off. So I taped everything else around. I'm gonna do that, and if it looks really good, I'm gonna do the side too, or I might just leave the side. I might not have to do that, but yeah, this Flex Seal thing looks good, works good. Great reviews on it. So let's go ahead and paint this portion, especially over here. Let's see how it turns out. Flex Seal. That's looking pretty good. Now we just gotta wait until it dries and see what that looks like. I really like the shine. Hopefully I can capture that on the camera, but we'll do it to the rest of them. All right, so we waited 24 hours. It's all dry. You can wait 24 to 48 hours, but it was really hot here, so everything is nice and dry. I'm trying to capture this little shine right here. It looks good, so let's go ahead and take the tape out and let's have a review. Look at that. That looks good. Way better than what it was before. And bam, there you have it. There you have it. Look at that. Let's get closer and look. Right there. That looks really good. Boom. All right, so it's all done. Take a look around. Kind of blends in with the framing. So, like I said again, really like the shine. The coat feels really, really durable. It feels good. Definitely not the cheap stuff. I spent $38 on a can of 32 ounce. So, I didn't know if I needed that much. You could have probably gotten away with a 16 ounce for a lot cheaper, like $20. So look at that. So we went from this to this. Went from this to this. So now that I know it came out so nice, I'm gonna do the sides also and all of that. And you see around my pool from the inside, it really looks good. So there we go. The pool hack that's gonna save your pool from this burning, from the sun burning your liner on top, especially here. where the sun hits the most. All right, so you guys can try that out. Let me know. So far I'm loving it, so I'm gonna do the sides as well. But yeah, that's my hack for you. Thank you for watching.